Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So starting from today we are going to solve some DSA problems on this channel. So basically I'm starting a new playlist in which we are going to solve some DSA problems. So let's jump into it. So first basically our first question is the two-sum question, uh, first, suppose first let's understand the question. So basically the question states that you have given an array like 2, 3, 5 and 8. So basically here what you have to do is they will give you a target, like we have a target of like we can say 8. So here we have a target of, so what we have to do is we have to find the two numbers which adds up to 8, and then we have to return the indices of that two number. So for that the approach here we are using is we are going to use a hash map for that. So basically first let's understand the implementation. So what we are going to do is suppose you have a target of 8. So first we will find the complement of the array. So basically we are going to iterate through a loop. So for that we are using like a for loop which I is less than nums dot size, and so here we are iterating through a loop. So basically it will start from 0 to the last index of 0. So basically it will go to 2 and then to 3, then to 5 and then to 8. So now first what we are going to do is we have to we are going to find the complement of that number. So what we are going to do is like complement is equal to the target. So basically if here we have a target of like suppose here we have a target of 8. So here the target is 8 and we have to find the two numbers which sums up to 8. So what we are going to do is like we go to the first index, and then we will check subtract it from the target. So basically our target is 8. So what we are going to do is like we are subtracted. So here the first value is 2 and the complement will be 6. So then now what we are going to do is we have to find the 6 in the map. So basically for the first number it will going to find it in the map, and it will not going to find the target. So what we are going to do is we are here we are complementing it, and now what we are going to do is if in this if we are going to find mpp.find, we are going to find the complement number until the maps end. So here we find the complement, and if we find the complement, then what we are going to do is like simply return it. So basically like if we are here, and here we are going to minus the target, that is 8, and we are going to minus the array. So here it is the second index, and we will minus 3, so it will return us 5. And now what we are going to do is we have to find the 5 in the map, and if 5 is in the map, then we will going to return the complement and the number, or we can say the indices of that. So for what we are going to do is a vector, and what we are going to do is we are going to return the complement of that number and also the indices. So first, and if the complement doesn't, like it is not in the map, so what we are going to do is we are going to insert the value in the, or we can say insert the index in the map. So basically this is how it works. And now first let's run the program. So for that we have to comment it now for the terminal, and what we're going to do is first.cpp and /first. As you can see, it returns 1 and 2. Sorry, it is going to return 1 and 2. So basically how it is returning 1 and 2, the first index and the second index. Now again first let's understand the how it is working, or the algorithms works. So first we are what we are doing is we are initializing a map with the name mpp, which is a short form for map, and here we are initializing it. So first we are iterating through a loop. So basically the loop will going to the 2 and then 3 to the 5 and to the 8, like it will go, it will iterate through all of the array. So first what we are doing is, first we are finding the complement of a particular number, or you can say a particular index in array. So basically here we are iterating through start from 0. So first it will go for the 1, and then for the second first, and then second, and then for the third index. So what we are doing here is we are finding the complement of that number. So what complement is, like we subtract the number from the target. So what we are going to get is the complement of that number. So here we have, like suppose we have a target of 8, and we have a number 2, or we can say 3, or like understand for 5. So here we have 5. So what will the complement? The complement will be 3. That is 8 minus 5 equal to 3. The complement will be 3. So basically here, from here we will find the complement. And now what we are going to do is, first we have to find the complement in the array. So we are going to find the complement. Then suppose you have 3. So what is the complement? The complement is like 5, but we didn't have 5 in the array. So here we don't like map, so we don't have 5 in the map. So what we are going to do is, we are going to insert the value in the map. So basically now what is here, like we have inserted 3. Now it will go to the 5, and it will check for the complement. So first what is the complement for that? So the complement is 3. So now if we check in the map, the complement exists. So yes, it says that the complement exists, that is 3. So what it will going to do is, like if we find the complement, it will going to return the complement and also the index of the current number, which is our question. And so basically this is solution for the problem, and it is the like most optimized solution for these problems. And I hope you understand it. And thanks for watching the video. And if you do like, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and whomever. And thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.